We've redesigned our Model 112 control panel to be better than ever. This latest generation controls one 120, 208, or 240 volt AC single phase pump in water and sewage installation. It includes an innovative new simplex controller for pump control and alarm. The new simplex controller has a sleek, touch-safe housing that's clearly labeled and elevated in the enclosure for easy access and field wiring. It features LED status indicators for pump run, power on, and float status, easy-to-use float push-to-test buttons, an HOA switch that allows you to easily switch between hand, off, and auto modes, Form C auxiliary alarm contacts to add remote alarm monitoring. There's also an optional adjustable seal fail circuit and red LED indicator. The Model 112 control panel features built-in pump failure and float out of sequence detection. In addition, there are 3 user-selectable field programmable options: high water alarm state, steadier flashing, high water alarm auto reset or manual reset, and optional seal failure alarm beacon plus horn activation. Other features include NEMA 4X enclosure for indoor or outdoor use, complete with integral padlockable latch and mounting feet, low voltage 24 volt DC float circuits, float out of sequence detection, pump contactor failure detection, and a controller protected by 3 auto resettable fuses: control, alarm, and pump 1. This panel is compatible with our Easy Connects float connection system for quick and easy float installation and replacement. See our online catalog for complete options and specifications. The Model 112 is also UL listed and covered by our industry-leading 5-year limited warranty. Contact our customer service team to find the nearest distributor to you at 1-888-342-5753 or customer.service@sjeinc.com.